Hello everyone, I'm Shannon aka Small Press Shan, here to tell you about Bat City Comic Professionals.
Bat City is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that teaches reading, writing, and imagination skills through comics. We fund our programs by running a full-service comic book store. We'll talk more about our nonprofit in a minute, but first, let's check out the departments of our store.
Welcome to Bat City!
I'm at the Key and Collectible Counter, which you may recognize as the set of our weekly show, Wind Down Your Weekend, where we report on the new indie and small press releases each week. And speaking of reporting, here's Kid Reporter Noah to tell you more about this section of the store.
Our Key and Collectible Comics section features our high-end, graded, and raw comics. It's also where we press the comics and make them look brand new.
Our store is filled with keys, but this section highlights affordable raw and graded books labeled with key information.
Let's meet Kid Reporter Sophia in the Classic Backstock section.
With nearly 500,000 issues in the store, it's important to keep it organized, which is why our Classic Backstock is organized by series and volume number.
They're in ABC order.
To make it easier for shopping, the alphabet goes up and down, so you don't have to walk back and forth across the store.
We built these custom racks with 3 tiers of boxes. The shelves make it easy to slide them out while you dig, while the boxes make product transportable to keep aisles clear and items accessible for all shoppers.
If you're like my dad, you could be here for hours.
Kid Reporter Miles is going to help me tell you about the current comics section.
Our new comic wall features nearly 250 individually phased out titles.
There's a lot of new comics!
Indie titles will have a series description card on them so people can see what it's about,
You say what the comic is.
while new titles will have a yellow tag to make them easy to find.
This one is new. This one is new. That one is new. This one was new. So is that one. So is that one. So is that one.
When titles come off the new release wall, they come here to the new backstock, and their title card comes with them.
Can I buy this, by the way?
Here's Kid Reporter Maria to explain the manga section.
This is our manga section. Manga are Japanese comics, which is why we read them backwards. I like to read fiction stories because they take you on an adventure. I really like magical stories, which are easy to find since our manga is sorted by genre. There are so many manga books on the shelf.
Kid Reporter Charlie is on the scene in the trade paperback section.
These are trade paperback books. They are sorted by genre, so you can find your favorites. My favorites are horror, music, action, and romance is somewhere over there, which is also one of my favorites.
We custom built all of our shelves in our store to fit the product that goes on them, which makes it really easy to clean up. If you want to view the world outside someone else's window, check out our Don't Hate, Educate section. One of the hottest sections in our store is our Fresh Backstock section, because everyone loves shopping the new collections that just dropped. Our cash wrap has our subscriber mailboxes and seats to hang out.
I like sitting on the bar stool without the counter.
Our city streets are lined with signs that teach you about the industry and the history of comics. We have nice wide aisles to make it accessible for strollers and wheelchairs.
Some other features of Bat City include an easy intro rack, story packs with series descriptions, an impulse buy rack of current indie series, half-price trade paperbacks, an easy way to add to your subscription list, phased out titles from local creators, free kids books on the way out, and
These are new magazines.
and that brings us to the
Kids Cave! We put the Kids Cave at the back of the store so parents know kids are safe while they explore on their own. It's just another way we show that Bat City is for the entire family. Whether it's the classic spinner rack or backstock bins, we want kids to have their own comic shop experience. We've got fan favorite kids sections like Dogman, Minecraft, Lego, Disney, and more. Miss the Scholastic Book Fair? Now you and your kids can go there together. Have a young manga fan? We have manga for all ages in the kids section. Kids have their own place to hang out, complete with some fun coloring.
Just beyond the Kids Cave is our classroom, where imagination comes to life. Here we offer reading and art classes, creator meetups and business development sessions, our advanced writing and art program, educator seminars, field trips, and of course, our comic writing workshops, which over 5,000 kids have completed in the last 4 years alone. But it's not all about work, which is why we also offer subscriber nights, multiple book clubs, ladies and non-binary nerd night, family fun days, and community socials. All of these events are offered free to our community as a part of our nonprofit goals. But we know our community stretches beyond our walls, which is why we partner with organizations like Boys and Girls Club, the Scouts of America, the Bradenton Marauders, Manatee and Sarasota County Schools, libraries in all 4 counties of the Suncoast, and more. At Bat City, our motto is to build the next generation of superheroes. Whether it's readers, writers, artists, reporters, collectors, or even retailers, we want to give everyone the chance to discover their own story. After all, who doesn't love a great adventure?
And until next time, happy reading!